Thank you for watching ACIT's Parent University. On this episode, we will discuss ACIT's upcoming financial aid workshop. The financial aid application, commonly known as the Free Application for Federal Student Aid, or the FAFSA, opened to the nation October 1st of this year. It is a vital step in the college application process, and we are offering assistance in completing this application for you and your student. Your education could be even more affordable with financial aid. Get assistance with your online federal and state financial aid applications to determine if you are eligible for federal or state loans or grants. The financial aid workshop is being held this Thursday, November 21st at the ACIT Media Center. To register, please call 609-625-2249, extension 1251, or email me at the address provided. Parents or guardians are required to attend with their student and must bring the following information: both student and parent 2018 income tax returns, all W-2s, your Social Security or ITIN numbers, your student or state ID number, and your FSA ID and password that you will create at www.fsaid.ed.gov. A Spanish-speaking financial aid specialist will also be available. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you there.